Hello, hello. Good evening, Ngok. Good evening, good evening.
Kristiyano. Sa
Oh,
mundo ngayon na
Situated in the progressive city of Santo.
hello. Can you hear teacher?
Yes.
Hello, good evening, Ngok. How are you today? How are you today? How are you? Are you good today? Did you go to
Yes.
school? Yes. Wow. Did you go to school today?
Yes.
Oh, wow. How was school? Did you
Um,
had fun at school?
um, uh,
Did you
um,
did you have
uh,
Did you had fun at school? Do you have homework?
fun.
Do you have homework? No? At school?
Um,
Yes.
no, I don't have a. I don't
Oh
have a.
no. No, wow, that's very good to know. You can rest after this class. Okay, so now are you ready to continue our lesson?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So welcome again to our class. So we are still at lesson number 3, which is all about food. Okay, but now, so let's have a listening activity. And for this listening activity, you will circle the fruits or the foods that are mentioned at the listening or the sound, okay, or in the story. Okay, so there are foods that the person in the story don't like and they like. So they have the food that they like and don't like. So you will circle the foods that they like. Okay? Okay? So are you ready to listen to the story? Are
Okay.
you? Okay, so let's listen to the story and you will circle this food that they like. Okay? So let me just play the story.
Listening 6.
Oh,
Lucy's mum is at a shop. Listen and circle the things she buys.
Good morning, Mrs. Hall. How are you?
Oh, great, thanks.
And what would you like today?
I'd like some sausages, please, and some burgers.
And would you like a nice chicken or some fish?
No, thank you. Not today. But can I have some rice, please?
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you. Now, some fruit. Have you got a watermelon?
Yes. Here it is.
Thanks. And I'd like a pineapple, please.
Okay. And would you like some pears?
No, thanks. The children don't like them.
Oh, I see.
Have you got onions? I can't see them.
Yes, they're here.
Can I have some, please?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thanks. And one more thing. Can I have some bread, please?
Yes, brown or white.
Brown, please.
Here you are.
Oh, thank you. Now, how much do I owe you?
Okay, so now let's listen again and you will now circle. You will now circle the food that Lucy's mom buys or what are the food that they like. Okay, so one more time, let's listen.
Listening 16. Listening 16. Lucy's mum is at a shop. Listen and circle the things she buys.
Good morning, Mrs. Hall. How are you?
Oh, great, thanks.
And what would you like today?
I'd like some sausages, please, and some burgers.
And would you like a nice chicken or some fish?
No, thank you. Not today. But can I have some rice, please?
Yes. Here you are.
Thank you. Now, some fruit. Have you got a watermelon?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. And I'd like a pineapple, please.
Okay. And would you like some pears?
No, thanks. The children don't like them.
Oh, I see.
Have you got onions? I can't see them.
Yes, they're here.
Can I have some, please?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thanks. And one more thing. Can I have some bread, please?
Yes, brown or white?
Brown, please.
Here you are.
Oh, thank you. Now, how much do I owe you?
Okay. So
Oh, yeah.
now let's check. Let's check your answers if they are correct. So now let's listen to the things that Lucy's mom buys. One by one.
Listen and circle the things she buys.
Good morning, Mrs. Hall. How are you?
Oh, great, thanks.
And what would you like today?
I'd like some sausages, please, and some burgers.
Okay. So the first one, what is the food that Lucy's mom buys? Or the two food that she bought? Sausages.
burger,
Very good. So now, so the first one is I'd like some. Okay, let's say this word again. Let's say sausages.
sausages,
Okay, and
burger,
some burgers. Very good. So good job. That is the first two food. So now let's go to the next one.
And would you like a nice chicken or some fish?
No, thank you. Not today.
Okay, so for the second food that we are second two food that we heard. So do they like chicken and fish? Yes or no?
um,
Does she bought the chicken and fish? Yes or no?
chicken and
Let's listen one more time.
Nice chicken?
Sausage and some...
And would you like a nice chicken or some fish?
No, thank you. Not today.
Okay, so now, would she like some chicken and fish? Yes or no?
no,
No, very good. So no, so she said no thanks. Okay, so next, let's listen to the next foods that
But
she
can I
bought.
have some rice, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you.
Okay, what is the next food that she buy? What is the next food? She said, what does she
Rice.
said? Can I have?
rice,
Can I have, can you read the whole sentence? Can I have some rice,
rice,
please? Okay, so very good. So that is the next food that Lucy's mom bought. Next.
Listening 60.
See them?
Yes. Eh?
Have you got onions? The children don't like them.
Would you like some pears?
No, thanks. The children don't like them.
Oh,
Okay, so does Lucy's mom like pears? Or does
No.
Lucy's mom's bought pears? Why? Why don't she buy the pears? Because because the
because children don't like them.
okay, very good. So yes, very good. So the children don't like
I see.
pears.
Have you got onions? I can't see them.
Yes, they're here.
Okay, so next, what is the next food that you hear? Have you got some? What is the next food? Have you got some? What is the next food that she bought? You want to listen to it again? Okay, let's listen to it one more time.
Have you got onions? I can't see them.
Yes.
Have you got onions? I can't see them.
Okay, so what did Lucy's mom bought? Have you got
Onion.
on? Okay, very good. So that is the one thing that you didn't circle. So yes, onion is included in the
Onion.
things.
Onion.
Okay, very good. So that is the one of the food that is included in her groceries. Next.
Yes. They're here.
Can I have some, please?
Yes, of course.
Oh, thanks. And one more thing. Can I have some bread, please?
Yes. Brown or white?
Brown, please.
Here you are.
Okay, what is the next food that Lucy's mom's bought?
A bread.
It's a
Is bread.
Okay, very good. What is the color of the bread? Is it brown or white bread?
Brown.
It's brown bread. So very good. It's brown bread. So next, let's have the fruits. Let's look at or let's listen to the fruit that she bought.
Some fruit. Now, some fruit. Have you got a watermelon?
Yes. Here it is.
Thanks. And I'd like a pineapple, please.
Okay. And would you like some pear?
Okay, so now, what are the two fruits that Lucy's mom bought? What are the two fruits?
A pear.
She bought pear? Yes or no? No. The
Watermelon.
children don't like them. Watermelon and the other, what is the other fruit? And
Watermelon.
what fruit is this? You circle this fruit.
Pineapple. It is pineapple.
Yes, very good. It's watermelon and pineapple. So good job. Very good in listening all of the foods that Lucy's mom bought. So this is the answer. So now let's make a sentence. So Lucy's mom, so for this one, for the fruits that Lucy's mom bought, Lucy's mom bought what fruits? Brought
Brought watermelon and pineapple.
Okay, very good. How about for the meat? What does Lucy's mom bought? For meat, Lucy's mom. This one, read this one.
Sausages and burger.
Okay, very good. So Lucy's mom bought sausages and burgers. How about for the vegetable and this one? What is this? Lucy's mom bought rice. Rice and onions. Very good. So one more time, let's read the onions. Say onions. Onions. Sausages.
Sausages.
Okay, let's say 3 times. Sausages, sausages, sausages.
Sausages.
Sausages. No H. Sausages. Sausages.
Sau-
Sausages.
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 Onions, onions, onions.
Onions.
Onions,
Onions.
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 Okay, very good. So practice these two words, okay? Onions and sausages, for you to be able to improve your pronunciation in these two foods, okay? So very good. So now, let's play a game, ngok. So let's have a spelling bee here. So you will just play spell out
Oh,
the things. Okay. So would you like easy or hard?
hard.
Easy or hard? Okay, let's go with the hard. So what do you like? All about animals, food, or since our lesson is all about food, let's have this
Food,
one.
food.
Okay. So can you spell? Oh, we have time. Spell.
T O
Faster.
A T O.
T-O. We have three. How many tomato? We have three.
S S
S only?
S S
Eh? S?
S S.
Are you sure? No.
No.
It's not tomatoes,
This
kids.
This is
Tomatoes.
S.
No, it's not S. So tomatoes. So if we have many tomato, so it is spelled as tomatoes. We will add ES. So do you remember? So for the plural form, so we have, oh, game over. So let's start this one. So for the tomatoes, so for those words who ends with O, for us to make it plural, so we add ES. Okay? So it will be tomatoes, same as potato. So it will be
Potato.
potatoes. Yes,
Potato.
instead of potatoes, it's not this one. So we will add ES instead of only S. Okay? Okay, let's start again. Let's start once again. Okay.
Potato.
So how to write your name? I will write your name. Ngoc and Vietnam. Okay. Let's have a new. Okay.
Oranges.
So faster.
What?
We have
Oranges.
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 Faster. We have time.
O G.
Oranges.
Wait.
Spell. O. Faster. The timer.
Orange. O R N A
Huh? N-A?
A A
A-O-R-A. And
G
faster.
E S.
Okay, perfect.
Sandwich.
Very good. Next,
Sandwich. Sandwich.
what is the spelling?
S A N W
Are you sure?
A
Sandwich. Sandwich. W
thing.
or D? Faster. Oh no, the timer is out. Sand.
We
W. Oh no. We have timer. You need to you need to try again. Okay, let's try again.
Milk.
Milk. What is the spelling of milk?
Milk.
Faster, we have timer. M.
K
M. What is the next letter?
L K
Okay, very good. Next.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes.
Oh, what? Faster.
T N A
T. Okay, very good. Tomatoes. Next.
Bananas.
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 T A N S
Okay, very good.
Oranges.
Oranges. Spell. O.
R N R Orange.
Spell. What comes after A?
Orange. Just
Double N. Are you sure it's double N?
double
Are you
N.
sure? No, it's not double N. Only
Lettuce.
one.
Oh.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Next.
I don't. I don't.
L. You don't know this one? Lettuce is this one. Lettuce.
Pork.
Lettuce.
Pork.
Pork.
Pork. Pork.
Okay, do you want to switch on easy? Because this is hard. For you to be able to practice, let's have this one easy.
Apple. Apple.
Spelling. Okay, very good. Next.
Peppers.
Peppers.
Pepper.
Spelling. P.
Peppers.
Pepper.
Faster, there is timer. P, E, P,
R. S.
okay,
Candy.
so this is peppers.
Candy.
Next. Candy.
Candy.
What is the spelling? Spelling. Very good. Is it with S or without S?
Candy.
It's without S. Only candy.
Hamburger.
Candy. Next. Spelling.
Burger.
Hamburger.
Hamburger.
Burger.
Are you sure is that the spelling? And no, it's not you. Hamburger. It's this one. Hamburger. Hamburger.
You.
Next, coffee.
Coffee.
C.
Wait.
C-O. Oh no, the timer. Oh no. Okay, oh, the timer is. Okay, so still a good job. So you want to try again? So do you want to try animals? What do you want to try? Animals? What do you want to
No.
try? Choose content.
Boyd. A music.
Music? This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Saxophone.
Oh, oh no, saxophone.
Saxophone.
Do you know what it is?
Saxophone.
It's S-A-X-O-H-O. Saxophone.
Guitar.
Next.
Guitar.
Guitar. Guitar.
A.
No. Key. Very good. Good job. Next.
Tambourine. Tambourine.
Tambourine. Tambourine. Tambourine. Tab. Bo. Oh no. Tambo. Oh, it's you. Tambourine.
Piano.
Okay, I think this is hard. So let's try to find some games. So let me just check. Get ready for starters. One. Unit 4. Yes, okay. Let's have this one. Okay, only one. Okay, let's have this one. Can you choose a number? Team Ngok.
1.
1. Okay. Oh, win 50 points.
Well,
What number again? Wow. What number again?
4.
4. Okay. What is it?
This is onion.
Okay, very good. Very good. Onion. Next, number
Number 11.
11. Okay. What is it?
This is a tomato.
Very good. Tomato. Next, number
Number 13.
13. Okay. Oh, what is it?
This is a pear.
Okay, let's check. Very good. Wow, good job. This is a pear. Next,
23.
23. Okay. What are these?
This is beans.
Okay, let's check. Oh no, it's not beans. It's peas. Eh, it's
Oh, no.
peas. Okay, next.
20.
20. Okay. What is it?
This is orange.
Are you sure? Final answer?
No, a mango.
No, a mango. Very good. It's a mango. Next. Next number.
Number 3.
30. Okay. What are these? They are
They are carrots.
very good. They are carrots. Next.
10. A 10.
10.
Yes, a 10.
Okay. Oh, win 50 points. Wow. Next number.
Number 16.
16. Okay. Oh, win 50 points again.
Oh,
Next.
21.
21. Okay. What is it? It's
This
a
is a limb. A limb.
limb. Are you sure? Limb?
A limb.
It's lime. Lime. Let's say lime.
Lime.
Very good. So we read it as lime, not limb. Lime. One more time. What is it?
Lime.
It's lime. Very good. It's lime. Perfect. Next number.
Um, 8.
8. Okay. Win 25 points. Next one.
5.
5. What is it? It's
This is
a
a watermelon.
watermelon. Very good. Next.
12.
12. Okay, 12. What are these?
This is potatoes.
Potato. Very good. This is a potatoes. Good job. So as you can see, so if we have 3 potatoes, we add ES instead of S. Okay? Next. Next number.
Number 22.
22. Okay. What is it?
This is water.
Okay, very good. Water. Next.
24.
24. What is it? It's
Huh? This coconut.
Coconut. Very good. Next, last number.
This number 50.
15. Oh, win 20 points. Last number, last one, before we end this lesson.
17.
17. Okay. Ah, 51. Okay, so I think this is a sign to end our lesson here. So, wow, good job, Ngok, for finishing our lesson number 3, which is all about food. So, next class, which is on Wednesday, so we will talk about lesson 4, unit 4, lesson 4, okay? So, good job. Good job in this story and listening. And see you again soon, Ngok. So, goodbye. You can now take
Goodbye.
your rest. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Have a nice sleep.